Hello, I'm Hutch Olsberg, owner of Key West Boats. We're here demonstrating how all of our boats, Key West, up from 15 to 26-foot boat, won't sink. This boat's been sitting here for 24 hours with the plug pulled, with the bilge pumps off. There's the water. We've let the water rise its own level and it got about to the floor, and now we're pumping it in, and it's getting about 2.5 inches deep, and that's just as far as it's going to go. And we feel that having a boat that's going to be with you and not sink is priority.